Jay Bond here, Bond Real Estate Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, San Luis Obispo Real Estate. So if you like what you see here on this channel, hey, do me a favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you want to stay tuned for new content that we're dropping regularly, and hit that bell to receive notifications and alerts. Today we're here at 1009 Bryce Canyon Road in beautiful Pismo Beach, California. Now this is a 2018 build, 3-bed, 2.5 bathrooms, just shy of 2,000 overall square feet of living space. And as you see behind me and around me, this is the beautiful formal living room. So real big, nice, spacious room, a lot of open windows here to really soak in an abundance of natural sunlight. We have views of Pismo here, some dune and some slight water views from the corner. Today is a nice, beautiful, sunny summertime day here on the Central Coast. Now looking at this room, these are very high ceilings here, right? We have a beautiful, sleek, finished ceiling fan, as well as some matching and comparable lighting fixtures throughout. Now this grand fireplace behind me, as you see, nice, beautiful showpiece as you walk into this living room, finished with tile backsplash, as well as just a real beautiful aesthetic overall in here, as we see. Entertainment center, nice TV, great area for hosting guests, entertaining, as well as just enjoying these beautiful days here on the Central Coast, right? Now, going over yonder here a little bit, we have our patio access. This would be a really ideal location for barbecuing, getting some fresh air, letting that coastal breeze come into this home here. And then behind us, a really nice open kitchen space, right? Nice, beautiful slab that we see behind us. Nice countertop, plenty of countertop space, especially for those folks who like to cook and like to entertain. What better yet than having enough counter space to do just that, right? Very open, so you can continue hosting, engaging your guests, your family, while you're in here preparing meals for the holiday, for the evening, for the weekend, whatever it may be. Now, we have a nice cool color palette in here. Lots of whites, lots of creamy, light grays, if you will, which are very popular, very neutral color, and honestly very beachy. Has a nice, very beachy feel in here. To that regard, we're finishing with nice stainless steel appliances that we see throughout. Big basin or farm style sink with some subway tile backsplash, right? Now, and again, a lot of windows in here, an abundance of windows, not just in the living room, but in this kitchen as well, maintaining those views, maintaining that natural light shining through, right? So just a great entertaining space here in this home. Now, what I want to do is make our way to the bedrooms, the bathrooms, to really show you the rest of this beautiful Pismo Beach home. All right, gang, now let's make our way into the master bedroom, which is just adjacent right here to my right, your left. Now, as we notice, just on the approach to the stairwell, it's a very wide stairwell right here. So a lot of space, maintaining that open concept throughout this home. So let's check out this master. All right, so here we are in the spacious master bedroom. Now you can definitely fit a cowl king bed in this room, as well as some other larger pieces of furniture, perhaps dressers, nightstands, and armoire if you prefer, right? So nice master bedroom space here, maintaining that theme of natural light pouring through the home, an abundance of windows, which is always really, really nice. And then of course, your ensuite bathroom, right? Nice ensuite bath that has been really well thought out, right? You have a lot of built-in cabinetry here. Could be linens, could be additional storage, right? Followed by a nice sized walk-in closet, which is always amazing to have. And notice, as soon as we approach the bath, this beautiful white tile that we see running throughout the bathroom, right? So again, maintaining those sleek, cool color finishes throughout the home. And then we have our bath here. We've got our commode, shower, as well as dual vanity setup, maintaining the same color scheme that we recognize in the kitchen. A lot of uniformity with the finishes in this beautiful Pismo Beach. Oh, all right. So why don't we do this? Let's make sure we're making our way up, checking out the other bedrooms. All right, so before we make our way upstairs to check out the rest of the bedrooms, let's check out this powder room right behind me here. As we make our way up the approach, again, toilet, commode, sink, extra cabinetry, storage. Take a look in there. Nice powder room space off of the main living area. And then we'll make our way upstairs and we'll check out the rest of the home. All right. Now, what's great about this space up here in this landing is you have your upstairs indoor laundry, right? You got washer dryer hookups here, as well as extra storage, cabinetry, and a nice utility sink, which is always helpful in your laundry room, right? So great use of space, especially for folks living upstairs, right? Makes it easy for them to do their laundry up here without going upstairs, downstairs, right? The whole bit there. And then right here adjacent, we have guest bedroom number 1. As we see behind me, nice spacious room, the remnants of, I'm assuming what was a bunk bed here, right? And as you can see, this is a relatively large piece of furniture in here with still an ample amount of space in this bedroom. We have a nice walk-in closet as well. And then maintaining the theme of beautiful windows, bringing in that natural light. And we have views of the side of Pismo, some dune views right here from this bedroom as well, which is awesome. And then of course, across the hall, we have our guest bath, dual vanities, maintaining the same feel, color scheme, cool color palette as the rest of the home here. And then behind me, we have commode and of course, shower and bathtub. So full bath here, full guest bathroom, which is awesome. And then lastly, we have guest bedroom number 3. And this is relatively mirrored square footage wise as far as guest bedroom number 1 that we see. Instead of a walk-in closet, we do have dual closet doors here adjacent, an abundance of windows, which is just a huge characteristic and theme of this home, which is always amazing and nice. Here we are outside of 1009 Price Canyon Road in Pismo Beach. What I love about these homes is this awesome bonus carport space that you see behind me here. Now that's in addition to the garage, which is just adjacent, which we're gonna make our way over to right now. So let's check out the garage. We have a nice finished garage, finished epoxied garage floor, as well as sun power solar set up here in the home. Soft water, tankless water heater, and just a really nice amount of space. Whether you're parking cars, working on cars, hobbies, whatnot, this is an amazing space here. And just a reminder, everyone, if you like what you see in here, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe if you want to stay tuned for new content and property tours from yours truly, as well as that bell to receive notifications from us. We really appreciate you guys and the support. So again, this is 1009 Price Canyon Road here in beautiful Pismo Beach. This is going to be hitting the market here any day, so stay tuned. As always, if you have questions about real estate on the Central Coast, consult with your broker or feel free to give us a call. We want to make sure we're taking care of you, filling you in, keeping you up to date on anything and everything that is Central Coast real estate. Thanks so much.